Hello, second grade. This is Mrs. Prevette. I'm really proud of how hard you guys have been working with the new distance learning, but I'll have to say that I miss you guys a lot. Seeing you guys in class is so much more fun than just seeing you online. I wanted to make sure you know what I want you to do for technology class every week. Remember, we have 2 technology classes every week, and they each last for 45 minutes. So your first thing you're going to do every day is go to our Weebly and go to the second grade. And there, right here, is the video that you're watching. Next, you're going to go to the first lesson. It says April 13th. That's Monday. If you don't do it on Monday and you do it on Tuesday, that's okay. I just want you to do both lessons every week. So when you click on this, you're going to learn about the parts of the computer. So first we'll click on it, and the website will come up, and it might ask for your password. And on this page right here, right there, it tells what the password is, okay? So when we're at the parts of the computer, first thing we're going to do is watch this video. Then we're going to scroll down, and here is a slide presentation, and you're going to scroll through them. And it's going to talk about the different parts of the computer. There are 6 slides that you're going to go through. Then you're going to come down here. This is a puzzle. Notice right here it says easy 6. Well, you guys are second graders. I think you can do more than 6. So click on it and go up to 12 or 15 and try to do the puzzle that way. And you have to move the pieces around, drag them and drop them, try and connect them. I'm pretty good at puzzles, and I've done this one before, so I feel like it's going to be kind of easy for me. But I can see that that's part of the keyboard, and it sticks together. Pull all of this down here. Whoop, this goes over here. Click on it. Then, when I'm all done, I will come down here to the next one. And this is a matching game. So you're going to see a flash drive, drag it over to match the other kind of flash drive. There's a keyboard. I'm going to drag it to match the keyboard. Now, when I'm all done, I'm going to click the check. See that check? It's going to tell me I only did 2, so I got 2 right. But you'll probably get all 9. Then sponge activities. If you still have time, you can click on sponge activities and play the other games. When I click on this, it'll show you what kinds of things you can do. There's more matching. There's dance mat typing. There's even typing your spelling words. Now, when you're all done with these things, you have to go back up here to the tab at the very top. We go to the Weebly, back to the Weebly. Then we're going to scroll down, and right below the green assignment is a form. You have to click on this form, and it's going to ask you questions. And remember, it says April 13th, but you might do it on the 14th. That's okay. First, it says to put your name. So I'm going to put Teresa Prevette. Then I'm going to put my email address. And now you have a new email address, so you could put that if you'd like. And then, did you complete all the activities on the website? Yes or no? I did not, so I'm going to click no because I didn't do all of them. What kind of a device did you use for this assignment? Did you use your Chromebook or a tablet? Or did you use a phone? I'm on a Chromebook. Here's a question about what you learned. The brains of the computer is called is it the keyboard or the CPU or the monitor? Well, after you click the answer, you're going to hit submit, and that's it. You're done. Now you can go back to the Weebly, and if you're all done, you could scroll down and play one of the games. Now, if you didn't do the lesson that from March 30th, you can go ahead and do this lesson too, okay? That would be how you could get caught up. So Monday, you're going to do 1 lesson. Wednesday, 1 lesson. But if you don't do a lesson, you could do it on Tuesday. You could do it on Wednesday and Thursday, as long as you do 2 lessons every week. Okay? I really miss you guys and I wish I was seeing you face to face, but I want you to know I love you all. Bye.